Effects of ML certifications on AI research progress. In the rapidly evolving field of artificial intelligence, AI, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. One way to boost your expertise in AI and drive research progress is by earning machine learning (ML) certifications. These certifications have a powerful impact on the development and growth of AI research. How do ML certifications influence AI advancement? By obtaining these certifications, professionals gain a deeper understanding of ML algorithms, data analysis, and predictive modeling. This knowledge enhances their ability to tackle complex AI problems and drive innovation in the field. Importance of ML certifications in AI progress. The benefits of ML certifications for AI research cannot be overstated. They provide practitioners with the necessary skills and expertise to design and implement cutting-edge AI solutions. Additionally, certifications validate one's proficiency in ML concepts, making them more attractive to potential employers and collaborators. The role of ML certifications in AI research improvement. ML certifications have a direct impact on AI research developments. Professionals with these certifications are better equipped to contribute to groundbreaking advancements in AI. They can leverage their expertise to push the boundaries of AI capabilities and drive the field forward. Benefits of obtaining ML certifications for AI research. Earning ML certifications opens up a world of opportunities for professionals in the AI field. With a certification in hand, individuals can access high-profile projects, mentorship programs, and networking opportunities that fuel their research progress. Conclusion. In conclusion, ML certifications have a profound impact on AI research progress. By investing in these certifications, professionals can enhance their skills, drive innovation, and contribute to the advancement of AI. The benefits of earning ML certifications for AI research are clear, making them a valuable asset for anyone looking to make a mark in the dynamic world of artificial intelligence.